Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2024 Yamaha MT09. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 5,693 miles and does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this bike will need rear turn signals with sufficient visibility. It will also need mirrors that are DOT compliant and a new rear tire. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 230 seconds, and the rear at 130 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the engine, rubber tearing on the foot peg, a dent on the fuel tank, scratches on the bar end and lever, and scratches on the left side plastics. This bike has 2 keys and comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, navigation, and a quick shifter. It's been upgraded with tech-spec tank pads, aftermarket rear turn signals, and bar end mirrors. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.